If I go see my guy now, we go fit buy food for me. Maybe say go on my communication center, go buy better food, take no food. I go happy. What with that?
Yes.
What with that?
Yes.
What with that? Eshweye.
You.
Eshweye.
What?
Who give you food?
See, Jaja.
Charger.
Yes.
Where you go buy charger?
You.
Hey! Where you go buy charger? You go shopping?
Yes. See.
Chai himbe. In a Kotakwa side. Hey! Okay, where the charger? Where the charger? Where you the charger? Where you buy?
See.
You know something where you go buy the charger? On Mark Communication Center. Where you go buy these things? On Mark for Mark ShopRite. On Mark Communication where they charge phone, where they charge everything. Now where you go buy this one? Come. Eh?
Go home.
In bed where they talk go home. Come go home. Idiot. After all women now look at him beside on the talk speak English for me. You want to call him pen. Pen.